Here's an example of shield drains from shielded twisted pair wires that are joined together in what we call a daisy chain, and then we go to ground on a longer wire, a longer shield drain wire. But this allows us to ground multiple shielded conductors with a single ground wire. So we can see here, basically this is the first one. It has the solder sleeve with a little daisy chain loop to the next one. That one loops to the next one, and then this one has the actual shield drain wire around to a ring terminal. So all three of these wires have their shielding grounded. We're just using 1 to 2 to 3 to ground. And that basically reduces the number of individual ground wires we need, right? If each of these were individually grounded, then we would have 3 ground wires that we need to terminate or connect to some terminal block somewhere or a shield block. But by daisy chaining, we can reduce that number somewhat. We do have to be careful when we do this that we're not introducing the possibility of one ground wire causing interference on multiple different signal wires. So typically, if we're doing this, these 3 wires would be carrying similar signals. For instance, maybe like glide slope signals on a navigation receiver. So if we had glide slope up down and the flag wires, they're both glide slope system related, and so we could ground those together. Another example would be localizer or VOR, where we'd have left, right, the flag, and a to from indication. And those are each on their own twisted pair signal wires, but we join their shields together to have a common ground.